three MEPs who were coming to Macedonia to help for the dialogue of the political parties would like to continue their activities in the country even now, because we are very glad that the development is now as it is, but still I think that there is a frail or fragile political peace in the country, and we would like to continue the dialogue with them. Our respective unit of the European Parliament came up with this innovative suggestion or approach. The idea is that we shall invite representatives of all political parties represented in the Parliament, the Speaker of the Parliament. There will be some people from the European institutions, experts, and we shall meet in the house of Jean Monnet. It's not far from Paris, but it's far from microphones and cameras, and the atmosphere is full of European ideas there. So we would like to continue the civilized dialogue in order that the political parties or representatives get used to this kind of dialogue, compromise and everything. So it's a kind of political education which I think could be helpful for the colleagues in Macedonia and for us as well. We don't have the date, it's in the process of preparation, but it will not be possible to do it this year, but early next year. Yes. Mr. Weigl was in Macedonia recently, and he brought back the confirmation that all parties are interested to participate.